Let us see the valuation of goodwill under the super profit method. But before getting into the question, I want to explain to you what super profit means. Let's say, for example, there is a person, okay, he wants to make an investment into a company, right? The company where he wants to make an investment, let's say he wants to invest 100,000 rupees into this company, right? When he made this investment, he was told that other companies which are into this particular industry would normally earn a return of 10% per annum, right? So his expectation from the company was that they are going to earn 10% of 1 lakh or rupees 10,000 as profit, right? So he made an investment on, let's say, 1st January 2016. When the company distributed the profits on 31st December 2016, he got not 10,000 but 20,000, right? Now, when I look at this 20,000, it comprises of two parts. One, what was his expectation based on the market? That's something which is called the normal profit. But the money, which is 20,000 minus 10,000 or 10,000 that he got over and above his expectation, is what? For him, the company is like a Superman who delivered more than what they were expecting. This difference vis-a-vis the actual realization versus the expectation is something which is known as the super profit. When you calculate goodwill, what you do is, under this method, is you find out, does the company actually has some super profit, right? If there is a super profit, then you would be told that the value of the goodwill is to be calculated as 5 times the super profit. So instead of the average profit, the number that you have to take here is super profit. But the only catch here is, how do you calculate super profit? The rest of the procedure remains like any other scenario. So let's look at the question. APMG and Company, a partnership firm, intends to estimate the value of its goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of super profit of the firm. So 4 years purchase means what? 4 times of the super profit of the firm. The capital employed in the firm is 2 lakh and the normal rate of return is 12%. Profits for the last 4 years were 50,000, 60,000, 52,000, 48,000. Find the value of the goodwill. Now, in order to give you a bit more clarity, we can just add on to this question to say that find the value of the goodwill based on 4 years purchase of average super profit. The reason I mentioned this was that if I just take the question here, some of you may come back and say that should I just multiply the total profits of the firm with 4 years purchase. So I'm just doing an additional clarification to say that the profits which are to be considered are the average super profit. Let's get going with the question. So my profit for the year amount, which is the year I am considering, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. What are the numbers? 50, 60, 52 and 48,000. 50, 60, 52 and 48,000, right? Now I need to calculate what is the normal return or the normal profit. You are told that the capital employed is 2 lakh and the normal rate of return is 12%, which means that the normal profit expectation which this investor had was that he's going to earn 12% on 2 lakh. So how much is the normal profit? It is going to be 2 lakh into 12% or 24,000 per annum, right? So my normal profit expectation was 24,000 per annum, whereas I made more money every year. So how much am I super profit? Super profit is equal to the actual profit minus the normal profit. So 50 minus 24 gives me 26,000. 60 minus 24 gives me 36,000. 52 minus 24 gives me how much? 28,000, and this gives me 24,000. If I do the total of all these super profit, I would get 52, 58, 88, 94, 1,14,000, right? So my average super profit will be how much? 1,14,000 divided by 4. Why? Because the number of years are 4, right? So this gives me 2,8,500. 28,500 is my super profit. What is the value of my goodwill? My goodwill is 4 years purchase of super profit, or 4 times 28,500, which gives me 1,14,000. That's the value of my goodwill under the super profit method. Now, since you've come this far, in case you want and stay updated of our channel, you can subscribe us by clicking here, right? And stay updated on many more videos which we are uploading on a regular basis.